Hey y'all, good morning. KW out here bright and early. Gonna have a cook today. Got a little party going on. So I'm gonna cook 4 pork butts and 3 briskets, and I'm gonna do a bunch of ribs too later. But anyhow, I'm set up here, and we'll go in there and prepare the pork butts and then briskets. I'm not gonna show you all that. Everybody's sleeping. I don't want to make a lot of noise in there, but you've seen that in some of my other videos. I'm going to show pictures and everything and things of the party and all that we have, and show you how DW barbecues. So hang in there. All right. Getting ready to put them pork butts on the pit. I made like a basic sweet rub and sprinkled some of that on there. And then I use some of the Riley's special rubs here, smoky and bold, and his red rub. They're really good rubs. I sprinkled a little of that on there too. Over here we got the pit fired up. So we're gonna get fire going in here. Get down there, good fire going. Pit's around 300 degrees. I got good coal base going there. It'll level out to about 275 for the whole cook. For these big cuts of meat, that'll be fine. So let's get the pork butts on the pit and show you some more a little later. All right. Here we go. Got them briskets prepped up, trimmed up. I might do a video sometime on all the actual trimming that I did. You've seen me trim them a little bit, but I'm gonna maybe go in depth on a video. Anyhow, we got 3 briskets. They're all around 14-15 pounds. And what I did is I used a salt and pepper mix, about 1.25 cups of pepper, a cup of salt, which is about 60-40. Then I mixed in some Riley's Smoky and Bold, about 1/2 cup in there, and that's what you got right there. So that's what we're doing today with the briskets. Alright, we'll get them on the smoker there. We'll have about 82 pounds of meat on the smoker today. I'll show you a little bit later. Come on now, stupid camera. Hey, I want to show you something about my Gator pit here I really like. I got a griddle top on that firebox. You've probably seen it before, but you've probably never seen me cook on it before. I'm having breakfast while I'm smoking and briskets and pork butts. Check it out down here. Right down there. There you go. Having Gator, sausage if you want to call it that, eggs, garlic toast. What do you think about that? Let's get something to eat. I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, I'm going to check them briskets and pork butts to see what the temperature is on them. It's been about 6.5 hours on that on the pork butts and 5 hours on the brisket. We're going to see how done it is. So let's get in the Gator pit here and see what it looks like. Woo! Yeah! Can you see there? We're cooking at 275 right now. It's been in between 260, 275 whole cook so far. Let me give you a closer look here. There you go. Can you get a look down there? There. And let me see the briskets. You can't see them real good. Let's see what the temperature is. We'll go by feel. Check these pork butts since they're right up here in the way. 162. Try a couple spots here. 152. 164. Ooh, smoke in the eye. 170. 162. 160. All right. They're doing pretty good. Let me get the gloves. I don't think I'm going to foil them pork butts, but I don't know about the briskets here. Let's see what they are doing. Get you a better angle down there. Right down there. All right, getting a point here. 163, 167, 8, 163, 179, 187, 178. Okay, I might rotate them around. We're getting a little hotter over there. But I could fold them. I think I'll do that. Alright, I'll get back with y'all. Hey there again. Hey, DW here. I cooked all that brisket, pork butt, all the bigger meats already. So now later here we're going to do these ribs. Got the Gator pit fired up here. About 260 degrees. I'll probably run around that till they're done. I got some St. Louis cut ribs here at a good deal. $2.49 a pound, believe that or not. And should be ready in about 4 hours. When everybody gets here, maybe. If not, there, hang on, wait. Hang on, look down here. There you go, they look pretty. Alright, we're going to put them on the smoker now. How's that look? Good? Alright, I got 6 more racks I'm going to put down on the bottom. Great there. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and prepare them other ones. There you go. Got the rest of them ribs on there, so we got 11 racks of ribs on there. I think I need a rib rack so I can set them up. Get more ribs and more space on there. But they'll be alright.
You know, we've been late in the fall.
Looking good. What do you think?
Why would you?
We got some more ribs going on there.
These are terrible.
Good to hear. What do you think?
It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Come on, how many you want?
2. This is actually going to be breakfast because we've been holding on.
Yeah, I didn't eat nothing this morning
You
either.
still haven't eaten anything, just saying.
Zoom in like this is a competition so I can get a competition shot. Sneak shot like I do at all them competitions.
Get me a styrofoam thing, I'll dress one up.
There you go, there you go. I think they look good there. Look good. What do you think, Mike?
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Only the best. I feel bad for those that didn't make it.
Yeah. Too
I
bad.
don't. They knew.
I don't either. I just wanted to document that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. I'll leave that one uncut for now. Come on, Daryl. How many ribs you gonna eat?
No.
What?
I'm not hungry yet. I've been cooking all day.
I know. That's why you should eat.
I get what I cook. I can't eat it.
Like I said, last year I didn't eat a snack the whole time I was here, but I.
Say hi to the camera.
Come on, Daryl. You gotta eat.
Say hi to the camera. Zoom in there. What y'all doing back there?
I know it's great.
There we go.
And I'm getting cleaning off utensils here.
Sure.
Oh, I'll be back. I'll be back in that.
What do you think? Turn out good?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Put a little bit of sample.
Yeah.
Daryl, what's your favorite barbecue sauce?
I don't know if I have one. That TB Yummers is my favorite probably.
Get the eating stuff on camera.
Yeah. I'm just taking a picture of the meat. I gotta get a picture of the plate. Yeah, let's see the plate. Yeah, looking
Hold on,
good.
we gotta do this.
What do you think?
We'll do that. Here.
Oh, God, I can't eat all
Oh, I don't care.
What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, wonderful.
That's
Wonderful
incredible.
You
product.
like it?
Thank you. Yes.
Don't be a quitter.
He made me.
That's good. Now, Jamie, I'm ready.
I'd like to thank everybody for stopping by and all my new subscribers out there. I just wanted to show everybody in this video our little get together we have every year for a couple of our birthdays. We have get together for that. And there's a lot of friends I got birthdays in May. Anyhow, like I said, I just wanted to show you what we cooked in the last couple of weeks. We really had this gator pit going and had a lot of meat in there. Sorry I didn't go over any preparation on the meat or anything, but if you'd like to know what I did to any of my barbecue that I did, just ask in the comments section, and I'll help answer all your questions that you might have. Now I got to get in here and clean this pit out and clean up out here. It's going to rain, and it's just good being on the tube again, and I hope you all stop back by soon and see what DW's up to. Good to hear from you. Y'all take care now.